The people of Seychelles, in the middle of the Indian Ocean, are still waiting to see if their constitutional court's going to order a rerun of December's general election, after allegations the poll was rigged. The ruling party Le Pep emerged as the narrow winners, but it remains to be seen whether its leader, James Michel, will be able to hang on to the presidency. Tim Eckert, a frequent visitor to these islands, has reported on all the elections there since the end of one-party rule in 1992. And whatever the final ruling from the judges, he says there have already been big changes to the way of life there.
December's presidential election was supposed to be another fairly predictable event. It was widely expected to bring another term in office for the incumbent James Michel at the head of the party Le Pep. It's effectively been in control of Seychelles for 38 years. Little wonder that the main opposition party campaigned under the slogan, "The time is now, time for change." In a tense standoff with his rival, the Anglican priest Vole Ramkalawan, Mr Michel was forced to go through a second round of voting. But his victory was narrow, just 193 votes ahead of Ramkalawan out of more than 66,000 votes cast. And now, with Ramkalawan alleging irregularities in the voting, the matter is before the Constitutional Court. Such a narrow margin of victory has left Seychelles completely divided politically.
And that was Tim Eckert.